Hello, and welcome to my video presentation about laws in the Philippines, which are about our environment and nature. Today, I'm going to be talking about the MEAs, the Multilateral Environmental Agreements. But first, what are MEAs? MEAs are international instruments states enter into, addressing particular environmental issues. They play a vital role in the development of overall environmental frameworks from the global, regional, national, subnational levels of governance and cooperation. Firstly, I'm gonna talk about RA 9174, or the Philippines Wildlife Act. It states that possession of threatened and exotic wildlife is not allowed unless you can prove financial and technical capability and facility to maintain that wildlife. It also talks about illegal acts like killing wildlife and doing acts that will result in affecting critical habitats. Secondly, RA 8749, otherwise known as the Clean Air Act. It establishes a program to control and prevent air pollution using regulation of emissions and protection from harmful substances like ozone-depleting substances. The law prohibits the incineration of municipal, biomedical, and hazardous waste as it releases toxic fumes. Then, RA 9003, or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act. It provides a framework for systematic waste management to protect the environment. It also promotes strategies like waste minimization and prohibits acts like littering, open burning of waste, and collection of non-segregated waste. Next is RA 9168, or the Philippine Plant Variety Protection Act. It's an act to provide protection to new plant varieties, establishing a national plant variety protection board, and for other purposes. It provides rights to plant breeders over the propagating material of the protected variety. Lastly is RA 6969, the Toxic Substances and Hazardous and Nuclear Waste Control Act. It regulates the importation, use, and disposal of toxic chemicals and educates the populace regarding the hazards and risks attendant to the manufacture, handling. That is all for my presentation. Thank you for listening.